Ever found yourself staring at an expense report, numbers swimming before your eyes, and realizing, wait, this isn't even in my local currency? Maybe you're a digital nomad, juggling expenses from different countries. Or perhaps your company operates internationally, and those receipts are a global mishmash. Whatever the reason, dealing with multiple currencies and expense tracking can be a headache. And if you're using Expensify, you might be wondering, how on earth do I change the currency? Don't worry, you're not alone. Figuring out currency conversions within any software can be tricky, especially when you're trying to stay organized and compliant. Today, we're going to demystify the process and show you exactly how to change currency in Expensify, ensuring your expenses are accurate and your reports are crystal clear. First, let's understand why this matters. Accurate currency conversion is crucial for several reasons. For businesses, it ensures proper financial reporting and tax compliance. For individuals, it helps you track your spending accurately and avoid overspending. Incorrect currency conversion can lead to discrepancies in your budget, inaccurate reimbursements, and even potential legal issues. Now, let's dive into the practical steps. The process for changing currency in Expensify depends on whether you're dealing with individual expenses or setting a default currency for your reports. For individual expenses, it's quite straightforward. When you're creating or editing an expense, you'll see a currency field. Simply click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of available currencies. Select the correct currency for that specific expense. Expensify will automatically apply the current exchange rate, giving you an accurate conversion. Remember, always double-check the exchange rate to ensure it reflects the actual rate at the time of the transaction. If you're dealing with multiple expenses in the same foreign currency, it might be more efficient to change the default currency for your report. To do this, you'll need to access the report settings. If you're creating a new report, you'll be prompted to set the default currency during the report creation process. If you're editing an existing report, you can find the currency settings within the report details. Look for a section labeled Currency or Report Currency. Again, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the desired currency. Once selected, all expenses within that report will be converted to the chosen currency. It's important to note a few key considerations. Expensify uses real-time exchange rates, but these rates can fluctuate. Therefore, it's always a good practice to review the converted amounts and compare them with your bank statements or other reliable sources. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with currency conversion, as these are not typically included in Expensify's calculations. For those using Expensify for business purposes, ensure that your company's policy on currency conversion is followed. Some companies might have specific guidelines or preferred exchange rate sources. Another tip, if you frequently deal with a particular currency, consider setting it as your default personal currency in your Expensify settings. This will save you time and effort when creating new expenses. To do this, go to your account settings, look for Preferences or Personal Settings, and find the default currency option. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your expenses in multiple currencies within Expensify. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a freelancer working with international clients, or a business professional handling global transactions, Expensify's currency conversion features can help you stay organized and accurate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.